If you want to delete your x.com or Twitter history on a PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to clear your recent searches and wipe your search history directly from the search bar. This is a simple privacy step that can help keep your account cleaner and remove old searches you no longer want showing up. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open x.com or Twitter in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top of the screen and find the search bar. This is where you normally type names, keywords, hashtags, or topics you want to look up. To view your search history, click inside that search bar. As soon as you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, you should see your recent searches listed below the search field. This is your search history, and it can include anything you've searched recently on X. If you only want to remove one or two items, you can usually clear them individually depending on what appears in your account. But if your goal is to delete everything at once, there's a much faster option. Look in the drop-down menu for the option that says Clear All. This is the button you want if you want to erase your entire search history in one step. Click Clear All and X will remove all of those recent searches from the list. Once that's done, your search history should no longer appear when you click into the search bar again. That's really all there is to it. On PC, deleting your X or Twitter history is just a matter of opening the search bar and using the Clear All option in the Recent Searches drop-down. It's quick, easy, and takes only a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.